I have waited for this moment, wondering when the right time would come. For so long, I held my feelings close, waiting for the stars to align, for the words to sound perfect, for the moment to be magical. But then I realized love doesn't wait, love doesn't need perfect timing, it just needs truth, and my truth is this: I love you. Let me share what's inside my heart. Not rushed, not rehearsed, just real. Because when I think of you, I don't just feel butterflies, I feel calm, peace, and a gentle joy that runs deep like a river through my soul. I did not expect you, I did not plan this, but somehow your presence turned the ordinary into something beautiful. Each time we talk, each time we laugh, each time you simply sit beside me, I feel a connection I can't ignore. I begin to notice that you make my world brighter, even the quiet moments feel full, and your smile makes my heart rest easy. So here I am, no longer hiding, no longer waiting, because love like this should never be kept a secret. I used to think I should wait for the perfect time, but now I know there is no time more perfect than now. This moment right here is enough because you deserve to know, you deserve to feel how deeply you are loved. You are not just someone passing through my life, you are someone who changed it without trying, without force, simply by being yourself. You are the joy in my laughter, the comfort in my silence, the strength when I'm unsure, and the warmth I always long for. And so, I speak with a heart wide open. I love you, not just in the soft, dreamy way love is sometimes painted, but in a real, grounded, brave, and honest kind of way. I love you for your kindness, for the way you care about others, for the way you close your dreams and lift people with your words. I love your flaws too, your doubts, your fears, the moments when you feel small, because those are part of you, and all of you is beautiful to me. You don't have to be perfect, you don't have to change, you just have to be you, because you, exactly as you are more than enough. In your eyes, I see a future, a life filled with meaning, a journey walked hand in hand, where we learn, grow, and build together. I don't expect every day to be easy. Love, after all, is not a fairy tale. But I believe that together we can face anything. Because real love doesn't run when it gets hard. It stays, it fights, it believes. This love I feel, it's not only about emotions, it's about commitment, about being there, about choosing each other again and again. I want to create something with you, not just memories but a foundation, a place where we can both be free, be seen, be heard, be understood. With you, I want to build a home not with bricks and walls but with trust and truth. I want to wake up knowing we are growing together, not in competition but in connection. I want to support your goals, stand beside you in your struggles, celebrate your wins, and hold your hands through losses. Because love means showing up, not just when things are easy, but when they are hard too. I want you to feel safe with me, to know you can speak your truth without fear of judgment. I want to listen, really listen to your thoughts, your dreams, your worries, because your voice matters to me, you matter to me. You are strong, but you don't always have to be. You can rest, you can cry, you can simply be, and I will still be here, loving you just the same. This love is not rushed, it's steady, it's patient, it's real, and it's yours. I know life can change in a second. That's why I don't want to wait. I don't want to look back someday and wonder, what if I had told her? So I'm telling you now. This is my heart in your hands, and I trust you with it. I hope this declaration makes you feel so seen, because I see you, not just your smile but your soul. I see your strength and softness. I see your courage and vulnerability. I see the beauty in the way you care, even when no one is watching. You inspire me. You make me want to be better. You make me believe that love, true love, is possible. And if you feel the same, if even a small part of you believes in what we can become, then let's take this step together. Let's not fear the unknown. Let's walk into it beside by side. Let's write a story full of adventure and grace, full of quiet mornings and loud laughter, of holding on and never letting go. Let's build something we are proud of, not because it's perfect, but because it's honest. Even if we make mistakes, even if we stumble, we will rise, because we will rise together. I believe in this love, I believe in us, and I am ready to give, to grow, to cherish, to commit to love. This is more than a confession, it's an invasion. To walk with me, not behind me, not ahead of me, but beside me. Let's create a space where we are both free to bloom. Let's choose each other, today and tomorrow, in calm and in chaos, with joy and with patience. Because love is not just how I feel, It's what I choose, and today I choose you.